जन्मदिनमिदम् अयि प्रिय सखे शन्तनोतु ते सर्वदा मुदम् प्रार्थयामहे भवशतायुषी ईश्वर सदा त्वां च रक्षतु पुण्यकर्मणा कीर्तिमार्जय जीवनं तव भवतु सार्थकम् हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे. Wish you a very, very happy 50th birthday, Prabhu. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji. Dandavat pranams. Prabhuji, wish you very, very happy 50th birthday. May Lord Shyam Sundar bless you with a divine mercy, spiritual strength, and a good health. Thank you so much, Prabhuji, for your association. We are so blessed to have you in our lives, and kids are also super happy about you. Thank you, Prabhuji.
प्रभुजी, आपको आपके 50वें दिन की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं. आपके ऊपर जगन्नाथ भगवान की, आपके ऊपर राधा श्याम सुंदर जी की कृपा हमेशा बनी रहे, और आप भी अपनी कृपा हमारे ऊपर ऐसे ही बरसाते रहे जो आप इतने सालों से हमें बरसा रहे हैं. आपने हमें भक्ति मार्ग में लेके आए. आप हमेशा हमारे को किसी न किसी एक्टिविटीज में इन्वॉल्व कर रखते हैं. आपके और माता जी की हमेशा यही इच्छा और यही रहता है कि हम किसी न किसी तरीके से सर्विसेज में इन्वॉल्व हो जाएं और हमारी भक्ति हमेशा आगे 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 बढ़ती जाए. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद प्रभु जी. आप जैसा दोस्त मिलना बहुत ही कठिन है. थैंक यू वेरी मच एंड विश यू अगेन अ वेरी हैप्पी 50th कृष्णा कॉन्शियस बर्थडे. हरे कृष्णा.
Prabhuji,
Wishing you a very auspicious, prosperous, blissful, and blessed Krishna conscious 50th birthday.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, meeting you as a child was truly a gift I'll always be grateful for. You have never been just an advisor to me. You have been like a guiding light, someone who always held my happiness close to your heart. Your love, care, and genuine presence made me feel safe and seen even in the smallest moments. Everything you do is filled with so much heart, from your thoughtful words to the delicious chocolates you make with such love. They don't just taste sweet, they feel like the emotion of love. You have this rare ability to pour your soul into all that you create, and that touches everyone around you, including me. Whenever I have been confused or lost, you have always helped me find the right path calmly, lovingly, like a breath of fresh air. Your nurturing energy lifts me up, motivates me, and gently reminds me of what truly matters. You are one of the rare souls whose presence leaves a lasting impact. Your deep love and devotion for Radha Shyam Sundar radiates in everything you do. The way you serve them with such sincerity, joy, and attention to detail is truly inspiring. It's not just worship, it's a beautiful relationship filled with affection, surrender, and unwavering faith. Watching you in their service teaches others what it truly matters to love the Lord, to truly means with all your heart. Your bhakti is pure and it touches the hearts of everyone. On your special 50th milestone, I just want to say thank you for being who you are, for the warmth, wisdom, and selfless care you have always given me. I am truly blessed to be connected with you. Thank you.
when I first came to ISKCON, I was curious but also unsure about how to start, how to connect, and how to truly understand Krishna consciousness. But Nam Sankirtan Prabhuji, Through your kindness, patience, and guidance, you made the path feel less overwhelming and more joyful. You introduced me to the beauty of chanting the holy names. You explained the scriptures with such clarity that even the most complex ideas began to make sense. And most importantly, you didn't just speak, you lived what you preached. Through your humility, discipline, and devotion, you showed me what it truly means to be a servant of Krishna. Whether it was through a simple word of encouragement, a shared prasadam meal, your quizzes, or just your presence during Kirtan, you have helped me feel connected, uplifted, and supported. From the bottom of my heart, thank you, Prabhuji, for your time, your blessings, and your constant encouragement. May Krishna always bless you and keep you strong in your service. Hare Krishna.
Lord Radha Shyam Sundar ji and Ram Lakshman Hanuman ji bestowed their choices blessing upon you and your family always.
You are our Shiksha Guru, and the reason for many of us are in the Krishna consciousness.
I remember the day, Prabhuji, you came to our house for the first program that we had in our house, and you guided us all about the arrangements, and from that day on, you continue guiding us until now.
You are truly a comfort zone for all the kids. If they have any questions, they have come up to you, and you always have answers for them.
We are always mesmerized looking the way you worship the deities Radha Shyam Sundar and Sita Ram Lakshman Hanuman ji. Your house is not less than temple for us.
It is temple for us. Hari Bol.
Hari Bol, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, we wish you a very happy Krishna conscious birthday.
Thank you, Prabhu, for all the wonderful association of yours. Thank you for being our spiritual guide, our Shiksha Guru, and someone who has been our strong support for the last 15 years, Prabhu. We thank you so much from the bottom of our heart for everything which you do for us, Prabhu.
Thank you Prabhuji for being a wonderful brother, a guide, a spiritual mentor. Thank you Prabhuji for everything. Thank you for being there for us. Thank you for all your guidance throughout our spiritual journey. Thank you so much Prabhuji.
More importantly, Prabhuji, thank you for being such a wonderful storyteller and quiz master ever since we were young kids.
Thank you so much for making such wonderful prasadam and sharing us with us all.
Thank you, Prabhu, for everything, Prabhu. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji, wishing you a very happy 50th birthday. Thank you so much for all your association in center. It's always, you have such a vivacious presence. I love seeing you around, you and Mataji, and looking forward to your continued association. Thank you so much, Prabhuji.
Prabhuji, thank you so much for always being so jovial, for always lifting our spirits up, always being there to support us. Like, I remember specifically one fond memory, like from so many years ago, I was playing Lakshmi in the drama, and like you were there to like calm me down when I was anxious right before, and like such memories are very fond and they keep me going. So thank you so much.
Hare Krishna Prabhu, wish you a very very happy 50th appearance day. प्रभु आपका नाम ऐसा है कि जब हम आपका नाम लेते हैं तो ऑटोमेटिकली फेस पे स्माइल आ जाती है. यू नो दैट इज द काइंड ऑफ पर्सन यू आर सो लविंग, kind and caring for everyone in the congregation. We are so grateful for you just being you in all the ways that you already are. So thank you so much for everything, and we are very very fortunate to have your association. और प्रभु एक चीज़ on your 50th तो ज़रूर बतानी है. It is so nice to see for a person, someone like you who would never enter kitchen. गौरभावनी माता हमेशा बताती थी, and post COVID now you are the one who has taken charge and taken control, and you have cooked so many wonderful dishes for not only us but for the entire congregation, and everybody has a dish that they talk about that, you know, it is so nicely and expertly prepared by you and with so much love. I think that is what makes it extra special. So once again, thank you so much for everything, Prabhu.
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु, आपको 50th बर्थडे की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं. वेरी वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे फ्रॉम ऑल ऑफ अस. Our baby steps in Krishna consciousness have been all anchored because of you and Mataji. आप जब से यहाँ हमें सिंगापुर में मिले हो तब से हमको मतलब वी फील एट होम, यू मेक अस फील सो कंफर्टेबल। हमेशा हमेशा आप हमें एक ऐसे मूड में पहुंचा देते हो कि हम बिल्कुल खुश हो जाते हैं, कितना भी कुछ भी बाकी कुछ हो सब भूल जाते हैं। और आपके लेक्चर्स तो इतने अमेजिंग होते हैं हमेशा कि यू मेक एवरीबडी लाफ and the questions that you
festival
ask,
lectures.
the festival becomes even so much more special because you are speaking.
Yes.
And really really value your association, Prabhu. We wish you very very good health, and please keep us in your prayers, and look forward to your association for many 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 more years ahead. Happy birthday, Prabhu.
Wish you a very very happy 50th once again, Prabhu ji. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Dandavad, Dandavad Pranam.
Hare Krishna, dear Nam Sankirtan Prabhu. Wish you a very 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 happy Krishna conscious 50th birthday. 50वीं सालगिरह की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। आई होप गौर भावनी माता जी आपको खूब पैम्पर कर रही होंगी अलॉन्ग विद अदर सिंगापुर डिवोटीज। मैं राधा श्याम सुंदर जी, मैं राधा निकुंज बिहारी, जगन्नाथ बलदेव सुभद्रा महारानी सब आपको खूब ब्लेसिंग्स दें, खूब आपकी तरक्की हो, खूब आप सुखी रहें, अच्छे रहें, डिवोटीज़ का संग आपको हमेशा मिलता रहे, आप हमको याद करते रहे, हम आपको याद करते रहे। जब भी नेक्स्ट टाइम आप बॉम्बे आएँ तो प्लीज़ प्लीज़ ज़रूर मिलिएगा। आपसे मिलने की बड़ी इच्छा है, माता जी से मिलने की बहुत इच्छा है। तो हैव अ ग्रेट डे, हैव अ वंडरफुल डे। हम आपको बहुत याद कर रहे हैं एंड मे यू बी ब्लेस्ड ऑलवेज ऑलवेज एंड फॉर एवर। हरे कृष्णा।
Ji, happy Krishna conscious birthday. Thank you so much for being such an amazing father figure in my life and always encouraging the kids of my age and even younger than us to always continue our service in Krishna consciousness and progress in life. Thank you for always being so accepting, understanding, and just answering all of my stupid questions. And thank you for showing so much love, always doing very cute things for us. I will always live for your ice cream, and thank you for being such an amazing father figure.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, happy Krishna conscious birthday. I hope that we can meet more, and I'm very grateful that you always help me and make me laugh all the time. I really look forward to meeting you more, and I really like your chocolate. Yeah.
Okay,
Happy Krishna conscious birthday Prabhuji.
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी, दंडवत प्रणाम। हम सब की तरफ से आपको 50th कृष्णा कॉन्शियस वाला हैप्पी बर्थडे। थैंक यू सो मच प्रभु फॉर ऑलवेज बीइंग देयर, और वी आर वेरी ग्रेटफुल टू द लॉर्डशिप्स फॉर सेंडिंग यू इन आवर लाइव्स। और हम लोग बहुत बहुत थैंकफुल है, एंड वी प्रे फ्रॉम राधा श्याम सुंदर जी टू ब्लेस यू इन अबंडेंस प्रभु, क्योंकि हम लोग इतने अच्छी अच्छी आइटम्स आपके हाथ से खाते हैं, आपसे इतना अच्छा मेंटरशिप हम लोग को मिलता है। यू आर लाइक काउंसलर, स्पिरिचुअल मेंटर और बहुत बहुत चीज़। थैंक यू सो मच प्रभु।
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु, दंडवत प्रणाम। हैप्पी कृष्णा कॉन्शियस 50th बर्थडे प्रभु जी। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर गाइडिंग अस। यू आर लाइक आवर मेंटर, शिक्षा गुरु, father figure and very dear friend as well, Prabhu. Thank you for so much for treating us so dearly and spoiling us with your food and all those things, Prabhu. Thank you so much.
Hare Krishna Prabhu, happy birthday, happy Krishna conscious 50th birthday. Your classes are really amazing. आपके stories हंसाते हैं हम लोग को, अच्छे से spirituality में guide करते हैं। We are really grateful for that, Prabhu. Thank you so much, Prabhu. We truly wish for you to have a wonderful life and hope that you can really guide us in the future also. Thank you.
Hare Krishna.